Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out this. I got these breathable waterproof socks. So we're gonna try some of these things out and see how they are. It's Randy Sun Ultra Thin Mid Calf, whatever. So let's see. And this is what they look like. They got a weirdo pattern on them, and I thought that was cool. So I'm like, okay. And then, oh, it's got a little tag on the side. So this is what they look like here. They've got a little bit of like textury stuff to them, and inside it's got a little bit of the foam. Let me see. Okay. It's slightly breathable, I guess. So let's see if I put these on, how they feel. Oh, they feel kind of nice. So this is it. So this is what the socks are. I'm always walking around the construction site here because we're building some stuff, and it's been muddy and yucky and stuff like that. And then my feet get all cold and yucky. So I thought, hey, why not get some waterproof socks? So let's try this other one on here. These fit perfect. I don't know. I guess I got it the exact right size, whatever it is. Let me see. I don't know if it even says. I don't know if it goes by size, but whatever it is, this is exactly my size. I wear like an 8.5 or something on the shoe, and these fit perfectly. They feel good. There's no like knots or something like that that is gonna stick in my foot. So I'm gonna say these are nice. I like them. So thumbs up on these socks. Pick up some of these Randy Sun socks. So for sure.